In this exercise, you will learn how to unfold this holder and also create a drawing and export it as a DXF file. So to unfold the holder, you select it, then right-click, choose Unfold to unfold it. And now when it is unfolded, you will also see the bend lines. To refold the holder, you select it again, right-click and uncheck the Unfold option here to refold it. And there is another way to do it. If you select the holder, come up here to select Sheet Metal tab, and here you have Unfold Sheet Metal to unfold that holder. So to refold, you select the holder and come up here to refold the holder again. But the easiest way to do it is to select it and then right-click to unfold. So now when we have unfolded the holder, we have also an unfolded part here in the scene browser. Now it is suppressed. But when we have this unfolded part, now we can create a drawing of it. So I come up here to click this button to open the template window, and at the bottom we find a template, scale 1:1 for DWG export. I will select that template and click OK. And the view creation window will open. Then I come down here to configuration and select the unfolded sheet metal part. So now we have the unfolded part here in this view creation window, and if you want to rotate this view, you can use these buttons to do that. But I will have it this way. So this will be the front view, and the standard scale will be 1:1. Then I click OK and place the view here. And this text box, I select it and delete it. So now we have the view and also some informations about where to bend to fold this holder. And you also have some information how many degrees you have to bend, also which radius you have to use. But we don't need this information when we are going to export it as a DXF file or perhaps send it to a laser cut machine. So we have to hide this information. And to do that, I will first select this text to see which layer it belongs to. It belongs to the text layer. And this bend line belongs to bend lines. And this center mark belongs to annotations. So I come up here to select styles and layers. Down here, available layers, I can turn off the layers I want to hide. So the text layer, I will turn off the text layer. And also, let's see now, annotations and bend lines. Like so, and then I click OK, and that information is now hidden. So now we can export this drawing as a DXF file. So I come up here to click Export, and I will save it here in the sheet metal folder, double click, and I will save it as holder, and I will also change the type of file. I will change it to DXF. Then I click Save, and this dialog box opens, and here I can choose which version of DXF I want to use, but I will use the default setting here. Then I click OK, and it will be saved. Then I click OK here. So now this drawing is saved as a DXF file. So this is how you unfold a sheet metal part and export it as a DXF file.